please use the middle one. Okay, so that means that it's going to be, what is it, 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. Right. Okay, -2. So if you're taking a number on this side, which one are you going to be using? The first one. Did you get that, Jesse? Okay, and what is the answer? 3. Okay, so let's say for any number less than -1, the answer is always equal to 3, so it's constant. And then we have a combination, so f at 3, which one we're going to be using? The bottom one. Okay, so third one, yes.
When you're plotting the points, or like the lines on the graphs, right, does it matter what the y values are, like where you place them in terms of y?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter what the x value you pick to graph. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you can pick any value from the x value, but the y value always will be determined by the function. Yeah, of course.
Pretty much.
And in that one, we find the y value.
So the first one's 3 because it says
Yeah.
3 for x, blah 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 -1. So it's on the 3. It's at 3 until it gets to -1. But it's not. It's not including -1. So that's where we've got the line, and below it, that's where you've got the negative infinity to -1.
Yeah. No, I get that.
Yeah.
And then you've got the.
I know what the lines mean.
And what are you asking?
I was just asking about the y values. It's fine.
Yeah. No. Look. Okay. So remember, in here we are evaluating the output for -1. In here we are evaluating the output for a half. In here we are evaluating the output for -2. Remember that we have an input and then we have an output. Okay, so in here we're evaluating, the output corresponding to -2, and we know that the answer is equal to 3. Where from? From here. Okay, so this is telling you, how the output are to be calculated. All right, for this one, F3 is going to be this one, so it's going to be 9. Okay, so F at 3 is going to be 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, and then plus 2 times F at -5 is coming. -5 is coming from here, and that is equal to positive 3. So we're going to multiply 3, and then we take 1. We're talking about this one. So this is F at 3 is 3 squared, which is 9, and then plus 2 times -5 is coming where from? From the first one, all right? -5 is somewhere here, so it's coming from here. So that's why I said that is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, because any number less than -1 is equal to 3 all the time. And then take 1. Okay, so what's the answer for this then?
3.
All right.
That's 14. Yeah. 14.
Oh, I did times for some reason.
Yes.
3.
All right. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, and then quarter. Quarter is coming from the middle section. Okay, and we know that that is equal to whatever the number is plus 1, so it's going to be 1 1/4. And 1 1/4 square is equal to, what is it?
25 on 16.
What is that?
25 on 16.
25 on 16? Yeah, so it's 25 on 16. And then we take away f at -0.3, which belong to somewhere here. Okay, and that is equal to that number plus 1. So what is the answer? 0.7. And then what is the final answer?
0.862.
Can you please say that again?
Do you how many decimal points you want?
Just give me 3 decimal places.
Yeah, 0.863.
0.863. All right. Is that the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, 0.7.
Okay, 0.7 is coming from evaluating a negative 0.3. Can you see that negative 0.3 belong to the middle
Yeah.
function? And the middle function say that, well, do negative 0.3 plus 1, what is it?
Uh,
0.7.
okay.
Okay, that is where 0.7 is coming from. Okay, and then you do this, take away that, and that's it. Yes?
I just I don't understand, like with the square brackets, if we didn't have them, then wouldn't we get the same thing? Because it's just a quarter squared, like the quarter plus 1. We're not really squaring the f.
We're squaring the answer coming from here. Okay, so in here, this will give you, okay, so that will give you a number, right? Okay, and what is that number equal to?
5/4.
Okay, and then you have to square it. That's why you have to square whatever the answer is coming from here, which is 25 and 16. Yeah. Can you see what I mean? Yeah. All right, but anyway, are you okay with this?
Oh, where do we get 3 from D?
Look, it's negative 5, right? Is negative 5 less than negative 1?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. My bad, my bad.
Okay. Anyway, are you okay with this? Yes? Okay. Jasmine, you okay with this? Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the function. 3x plus 4 when x is greater than or equal to 2 and is equal to negative 2x when x is less than 2.
Is that what meant to be negative 2? No,
Okay. 3x plus 4 when x is greater than or equal to 2, and negative 2x when x equals negative 2. Again, normally what I do, I put, things from left to right. So I would have put this function here and this one there. Okay, but I don't know. In the book, they put it that way. Do you understand, or do you want me to swap it?
Nah, it's all good.
All right, can you please, I want you to, number one, I want you to graph this. So in here we're going to have only 2 intervals. Okay, can you see? In here we're going to have only 1 cut. So that means that we're going to divide the number line in 2 sections. One is greater than or equal to 2, and the other one is less than 2. Okay, and then you're going to have to graph the corresponding pictures. Okay, so I want you to sketch, and 2, I want you to evaluate as we did before. Evaluate f of negative 4, b f of 3.5, and c f negative 7 plus half of f 1.2. All right. So you're gonna draw a good picture for that, and then I want you to evaluate. All right, go for it. Okay, Ashton, you can